Is that,
Okay.
is that
Mommy's
food?
helping you. Mommy's helping you. Ah. Ah. Mm-hmm.
How does it taste?
Is it good? Is it good? Let's try some more. Yeah. Let's try some more. You wanna try some more?
Dominic, eat it.
Move your fingers.
Good
Okay.
for you.
Okay. Ooh. Let's try it again. Put it in your mouth. Come here. Ooh.
Chew it, Dominic. You're supposed to chew it and eat it.
How is it? Does it taste good? Sweet potato? You want some sweet potato? Do you like it? Let's try it again. Okay, that's one. More. Mmm.
Dominic, is it good? Is that orange stuff good?
Put it in your mouth. That's right. Put it in your mouth. Turn off the TV. You keep sucking. Okay. Let's try. Oh!
Dominic, you have some food on your face.
Let's get that food off your face. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try some more. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're a good eater. Yeah.
Dominic, are you chewing it? Are you swallowing it?
Dominic.
Eat some more, Dominic. Eat some more.
Do you not like it? Oh, no, you do. Is that weird? Does it taste weird? Yeah.
Is he swallowing it?
I think so. I mean,
Yummy. That's yummy. Dominic, are you eating the spoon?
he just wants to chew on the spoon. That looks good. That looks good. You wanna try? You wanna try to do it yourself here? That's right. Not too
Good.
far. Not too far. You don't wanna choke. No, not too far. Good boy. Look. Boy. Come on. You like that?
Dominic. Dominic, show me your
You
face.
can show Daddy.
Dominic. What are you doing with your mouth? Are you like mommy and daddy now? You can chew? You can chew? What is that?
You like that? Is that why you're jumping around?
Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? It tastes good. It tastes good.
There you go. Oh, we dropped some on the table. Let's dry that up.
Want me to do it? Ready? Look. Mm, yum, yum. Yummy. Mm. Oh, look at your face. Good boy.
That looks really good. That looks so tasty, hon.
Good boy. Some more. Some more. I mean, look. Getting it from the bowl. See? Look. Getting it from the bowl, and here it is. You want to put it? You want some more? Oh. Oh no.
Daddy's very messy. Here, use this.
A little more? A little more? Okay. A little more. Here's some more.
Is that a weird sensation? Maybe you should wipe some off of his mouth. Oh my goodness.
He's laughing at me.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, what's that face?
What's that face?
What is that face?
What's that face, Dominic? Is it good?
That tastes good, huh? Yeah, you like sweet potatoes? Yeah.
Here's a big one.
Don't do too much. You don't want him to choke. Uh-huh. Oh. Did you stick your tongue out, Dominic? Dominic, hi. Oh. What is that on your mouth?
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that, Dominic? Here. One more.
One more.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. I'm eating it too, see? Mmm. Good, right? Mmm. This.
Oh. You okay, honey?
Is that good enough for now?
Yeah, that's good enough. I think you put too much in his mouth.
Okay.